In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop OneNote from auto-capitalizing. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it.
Fortunately, turning off this feature in OneNote is a straightforward process. Let's walk through the steps together to ensure your typing experience is as smooth as possible. First things first, you'll want to open the OneNote app on your device. Make sure you're logged into the account where all your notebooks are saved. Once you have OneNote open, you'll see a section that usually displays My Notebooks or a similar title depending on the version you are using. Go ahead and click on My Notebooks to proceed. This will take you to a detailed view where all your active notebooks are displayed. Select the notebook you'd like to adjust auto capitalization settings for by clicking on View Notebook. The next step is to head over to the File menu. In the main navigation bar you should see a tab labelled File. Click on it and it will open a drop down menu. Here you'll find several different options related to file management and settings. What we're interested in for this guide is the options section, so go ahead and click on options. Now a new window should appear, and on the left hand side you'll notice various categories. Look for the proofing category and click on it. Proofing is where you can adjust all the settings related to how OneNote handles spelling and grammar corrections. Once you are in the proofing section, it's time to dive into the autocorrect settings. Within proofing, you will see an option for autocorrect options. Click on that and it will open yet another window detailing different autocorrect functions. Here you'll see a list of options that OneNote uses to automatically correct your typing. To stop the auto capitalization feature, you will need to look for an option that reads something like capitalize first letter of sentences. It's typically checked by default, which means the feature is on. Simply uncheck this option to turn off auto capitalization. After this, take a moment to review the other settings and make any additional adjustments that will enhance your note-taking experience. Once you're satisfied with your changes, click OK to save these settings and exit out of the options window. You can now return to your work in OneNote, and you will notice that it no longer automatically capitalizes the first letter of new sentences. By following these steps, you've successfully customized OneNote to better suit your preferences. We hope this guide has been helpful in eliminating any disruptions caused by automatic formatting features. Happy note taking!